this next one, just make sure that didn't do anything weird to it, is one of the first songs I ever wrote. I think the second song I ever wrote in my whole life. It's called Caroline. Caroline, we're getting older now. Your hair is growing out. Caroline, my head's full of cotton string, kind of a funny thing. The fair was in town, and we rode the cyclone. Your hands on the rails, they were knuckle and white. The lights in the distance were blue, I remember. As we kept on spinning, they'd blink out of sight. Caroline, where did you go? The fairground's empty now, you know. Caroline, Caroline, come with me now again. I'll teach you to dance again. Caroline, the light's never been so blue, spinning right back to you. It's winter again, and there's snow in the driveway. I take off my jacket and I call you on the phone. You tell me it's been too long. We talk about the summer. Your voice is made of water and I sink like a stone. Caroline,